Think DSLRs are dead? Think again. While the world chases mirrorless hype, a handful of legendary DSLRs have become secret weapons for the smartest photographers. Hidden gems that offer performance mirrorless can't touch, at a price that will stun you. In this video, we're counting down the 5 kings of the comeback. One of these champions might just be the greatest camera bargain of the decade. But which one deserves your money? Starting at number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The R6 Mark II is the best full-frame camera we've tested. Its autofocus and video specs outclass direct competitors, and we like the solid library of compatible RF lenses and accessories. Furthermore, the picture quality is strong in all kinds of light. Pros and enthusiasts alike should get good results from this one. However, there are alternatives. We like the Sony A7 IV nearly as much, for instance, and recommend it instead if you want a higher pixel count and broader access to third-party lenses. Number 2. Nikon Z6III. The Nikon Z6III is our top-rated full-frame camera thanks to its excellent 24MP picture quality and NRAW and ProRes video encoding. Its partially stacked CMOS sensor does an excellent job suppressing rolling shutter distortion to capture subjects in motion for both movies and stills. Smart autofocus recognizes and tracks subjects for 20 frames per second RAW and 120 frames per second JPG photography, and we find the Z6III a joy to use thanks to its strong ergonomics and large, bright electronic viewfinder. You won't find a better camera for the price. The Z6III is one of the rare cameras that's just as good for stills as it is for movies. Creators who work in mixed media will love its versatility, while those who concentrate on a single discipline won't be let down by its still or movie modes. Photo enthusiasts, indie and documentary filmmakers, and professional photographers are all well served, and beginners can set it to full auto if they want to start out with a camera they can grow into as they learn. Number 3. Fujifilm GFX100S. There are plenty of APS-C and full-frame cameras on the market, but the Fujifilm GFX system offers something different, an oversized medium-format image sensor in a body that's not too large or expensive. The GFX100S offers 100MP of resolution, boasts a stabilized sensor that enables sharper shots and a 400MP multi-shot mode with a tripod, and even manages up to 10-bit 4K video. It's easily the most capable camera of its type, for a slight premium over the 50MP GFX50S2, for $1,000. Creators who want to explore the world beyond full-frame should think about a medium-format system. It's a good fit for portraiture, landscapes, architecture, and other disciplines that don't require extreme telephoto lenses or blistering burst rates. The GFX100S isn't slow, though. Its focus is as good as high-resolution, full-frame competitors, and its picture quality is impeccable. Creators who like to take their time to create images, as well as enjoy big pixel counts, editing flexibility, and Fujifilm's superb color, should appreciate medium-format systems such as this. Number 4. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a compelling camera for photo and video enthusiasts. Its stabilized 26MP BSI CMOS sensor supports Fuji's X-Trans film simulations, along with 10-bit 4K. We like the straightforward approach to controls and modes that support both beginners and experts alike. We'll omit the lack of weather sealing, but the magnesium body, all-day battery, and strong lens selection are enough to make it our favorite APS-C mirrorless for creators and enthusiasts. There's enough camera here to please enthusiasts and influencers, especially those who demand top-flight performance for both stills and video. The autofocus is good enough for demanding subjects like wildlife and team sports, while image quality is right up there with the best in APS-C. For video, the F-Log2 profile and 10-bit format give editors room to tune color. Meanwhile, 5-axis IBIS keeps the frame steady. If you need dual card slots and weather protection, look to the Fuji X-T5 or Canon EOS R7 instead, but be aware that neither is as suitable for video. Number 5. Nikon Z5II. The Nikon Z5II isn't the cheapest full-frame camera you can get, but its impressive feature set is more than enough for photographers shopping for a starter camera or SLR owners mulling a move to mirrorless. It includes loads of upper-tier features, including a stabilized sensor, weather protection, and 15 frames per second focus with 3D tracking. Plus, it records 4K 30 video at full RAW quality, so it's one of the most versatile cameras you can find for the price. The Z5II is an excellent choice for photographers who want to capture anything from landscape to action, as well as vloggers who are happy with 4K recording. Dual card slots make it a viable choice as a secondary camera for pros covering events, too, and everyone will appreciate its large, clear EVF. If you've been thinking about trading out an old D750 SLR for mirrorless, or are simply looking to jump into a photography hobby with a full-frame camera, the Z5II is a fantastic camera to get. And that is our definitive list of the 5 DSLRs that are still absolute powerhouses in 2025. If you're ready to grab any of these legends, check the video description below for the latest links and the best prices we could find on each model. If this guide helped you decide, please show your support, smash that like button, share this video with a fellow photographer, and subscribe and hit the bell for more no-nonsense camera advice. Up next, we're breaking down why one of these DSLRs just destroyed a $3,000 mirrorless camera in a durability test. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.